Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create group chat in Instagram. So let's not waste our time and let's go to the Instagram app in the mobile. After opening it, go to the top right corner where we can see the message option looking like a circle. Here we can chat with our friends and we can also make a group. So we have to select in the top right corner the pen option. After clicking it, we will see there is a option of create group chat, and when you click the group chat option, you will see there is a search bar where you can add your friends, search the names and add your option. I'm just fast forwarding it and showing it to you. As you can see, I have selected 3 persons, or you can also select pages like me. And then as you can see in the bottom, there is the option of create group chat. If you click it, you will see the chat bar is open. So if this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.